If you're encountering the data source refused error in Power BI, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check data source credentials. Ensure that you have the correct credentials for the data source. Go to the data source settings in Power BI and verify that the username and password are accurate. Step 2. Review data source permissions. Confirm that your user account has the necessary permissions to access the data source. If you are using a shared environment, check with your administrator to ensure you have the right access. Step 3. API data source connection. Sometimes the connection string may need to be updated. Go to Transform Data and select Data Source Settings to modify the connection details to match the current data source configuration. Step 4. Refresh the data. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Src to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Restart Power BI. If the error continues, close Power BI and restart the application. This can clear any temporary issues and re-establish connections to the data sources. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the data source refused error in Power BI. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.